Hi everyone, welcome back to the Neo Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark. In this video we're going to do a little festival design, easy for anyone to try. So we're going to use a tip and we're going to start by painting the whole thing in Snow White first. We'll do 2 coats of this. Cure that. Then we're going to use Mint to Be, Pillar Box, First Night, Bittersweet, The Grape Beyond and Amethyst Fall. And we're just going to do random splodges around the nail of each colour. Be as messy as you want. And we'll take our, oh hold on, we haven't put any of that glitter in and we can't not have glitter.
Oh, come on Sarah.
I know. I mean, what would life be without glitter?
Dull.
It would be dull. And we're going to take our ombre brush and we're just going to really gently merge them all together. Straight lines down. Just like so. We'll cure that. Now we'll take our palette, some Serious Black. We'll take some of this Bittersweet as well. Triple 03 brush and a dotting tool. So I think we'll start by doing some faces. Flash Cure, Triple 03 brush and a dotting tool. We'll just couple of eyes. All the festivals will be starting before we know it, won't they?
I know, it'll soon come round the summer. Can't wait.
Do you go to any of the festivals?
I used to. I don't know if I could do it now.
I know.
Like I could do it in a, you know, go in for a day and then stay somewhere else and drop in the next day. But I don't think I'd want to camp anymore.
I know. It's for the teenagers, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like, it's one of them things that you look back on more fondly, but whenever you were there in it, you're just like, man, I just want to shower in a nice bed, like.
Yeah.
But it is part of it. Of you.
No, I've never ever done one.
Really?
It's absolutely not my cup of tea at all.
Why, for that reason?
Yeah, it's just too filthy for me.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. It's like the Wild West. It's mad that it happens in a way. It's like its own little cult.
It's the toilet situation that frightens me the most.
Yeah, it's minging.
Portaloos are bad enough at a fair or something like that, let alone a festival. Don't think I've got the stamina for it. I've barely got the stamina for a night out anymore.
Yeah, well, honestly, it is difficult. Because it's like you go down at midday and then it's like you're hanging out there till midnight. And it's like you're not sitting down. You know, and then the thing people don't think about is then like the walk back to your tent afterwards as well.
Yeah, it's like miles away, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. And sometimes if the mud's that bad, it's like every step your welly is like getting glued into the mud, you know.
God.
It's like, it takes it out of you.
I've just never ever found the fun. I've never understood how that can be fun. Although I can appreciate it, I couldn't understand it. It wouldn't be fun for me. I'd be angry the whole time.
Well, I used to, yeah, like I'd get there and I'd be like, why have I done this? I don't know if I'm in it. But then as soon as you come back, you're like, oh, it was great. It's a great weekend. And then you go back again the next year and you're like, why have I done this to myself again? But yeah, I think if I did it now, I'd just, you know, my friends have done it before where we get like an Airbnb and you just get a taxi to and from the festival. And then you can have a good sleep and get ready on a morning and
start again.
Do it all again the next day, yeah.
Just gonna add some stars now to fill this in. I think we'll add a few white dots to this as well, just to busy it up a bit. Cure this now. I'll top coat this now. I love all the colours in the background, so good.
Yeah, it looks great.
Hope you all enjoyed that video. We'd like to see any of your festival designs. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and all the products will be listed down below. We'll see you in the next video.